Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete any file or folder or any contents of your Google Drive. So first let's open your Google Drive either using the desktop application or using any web browser. So once you are inside your drive, simply click on the My Drive button on the left hand side. Now from here you can see all of your folders which exists. Then simply navigate to the element that you want to delete. For example, inside the new folder, I want this PDF one removed to get deleted. So once you have found the file that you want to delete, simply click on these three vertical dots right here. Now from here, you can see this move to trash button right here. Simply click on it and here you can see that the file has been deleted. Although not permanently, but temporary. It will be deleted after a specified date automatically. And if you want to delete the file permanently, you can go to this trash icon right here on the left hand side. Then here you can see that this file still exists. If you want to delete it permanently, simply click on those three vertical dots again and either you can choose to restore it or delete it forever. If you clicked on delete it forever, this file will be deleted permanently. Then simply click the delete forever button and the file has been permanently deleted from your drive. The same applies to folders as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.